I came across this really handy, nifty little plugin called Reset WP. So I use a installation, a normal WordPress installation, which I test a lot of my plugins and WordPress themes that are in alpha or beta format. For instance, I'm using over here Oxygen Builder, which is just the default theme, that you can install if you want to use it like that. And I'm just checking at the moment the alpha 2.1 of the Oxygen Builder. Now, the nice thing with the Reset WP is that it will remove any content or images that you've got currently on your installation. So we install Oxygen Builder, for instance, and you select one of the default installs for, I think it normally loads Atom or whatever. It will also load in all this content. Any images. I don't currently have any images here, but if we loaded some images now, so let's just load these three over here. So let's just load them in. Okay. So we've got 3 images now. So it will delete any content or any images on your installation, and it will keep any of your themes and any of the plugins that you added. Okay, so I've added Wordpress and I've deleted a couple of other things. And plugin wise, I've just got Reset WP and the Oxygen one. So the way that you reset it back to the installation will be toolset Reset WP, and you just type in reset, and then you click on the reset button. Just make sure that you want to actually delete information that you don't want to. Don't click it accidentally. That's why they ask you to confirm the reset operation. So just click on reset. It will always give you this alert here. Do you want to reset, and say OK? And once you've clicked on OK, it will now start resetting WordPress back to how when you installed it, except for the plugins and themes that you uploaded already. Okay, so there we go. It's now has reset successfully, and it's also been recreated with its old password. So just make sure you know what the old password or your installation password was when you installed it. We go into the media library. Those 3 images I've uploaded are gone, and all pages, it's got the 2 default pages that WordPress comes with, and appearance and themes. It's still got the Wordpress theme that I uploaded, but it's not active, and the same with the plugins. It will deactivate whatever plugins you had active at the time, and the only one it will keep active would be the Reset WP. So it's quite a nifty little plugin, especially if you want to do some beta testing and stuff, and you don't want to have to continually install a new WordPress installation each time you want to check something. So I just thought I'd share that with you now. Cheers.